Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to block adult websites in your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, open up Google Chrome on your phone and then you want to click on the three dots, top right hand corner of your page that you see here. And then you want to find the settings tab. So go ahead and click on settings. And then from here, near the bottom, privacy and security, click into that and then scroll down, and where it says use secure DNS, click into that one, and then you'll probably be set to use your current service provider. So what you need to do is click on choose another provider and then click on the down arrow button for more, and then you want to click on clean browsing family filter. So what this does, this blocks adult websites or any mature content when you're using Google Chrome. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.